Reporting from 815 Main Street, Amherst, Massachusetts, it's the man on the street. It's a wreck. What could have happened here? My dad made a lot of paintings. That's what happened.
We've got company.
Here we have Susan Johnson, Doctor of Chiropractic, and Dr. Jason Kelly. We're up here in White River Junction, Vermont, or what do you call this?
Hartford? Yes.
And we have a bunch of paintings made by Tom Morton.
These paintings all represent a spectrum of his paintings over the span of 50 years or 60 years.
In the middle, 1960s. On the left side, year 2000. The right side, we've got 815 Main Street, where there's dogs going to the bathroom. It's a rough representation. She's going in the bathroom on the neighbor's lawn, and there's a lot of water on the ground. I can offend my father by saying, oh, it's like a Thomas Kincaid painting. Gallery A3. All right, here we have Tom Morton, artist since the 1960s, at least.
This first one is called Commedia, which refers to Commedia dell'arte. This is a self-portrait done in charcoal from 1985. So this one is called Dingle. So right, this painting is called Underground Roots, but that's spelled R-O-U-T-S. This one is Metropolis, which has the windows lit up in the buildings. And this one is Crazy Cat. And Metropolis and Crazy Cat are part of the same group. Birches. Lattices. T-shirts done in oil crayon.
All right.
And this one is lingerie. It's the laundry hanging on a rack. And it does have this border around it. Because it's laundry, they're bubbles. This is Bloomsday, a reference to James Joyce's Ulysses, a character named Blazes Boylan, who's sort of a demonic figure who appears quite frequently. This is the ghost of Stephen Dedalus' mother. Stephen Dedalus is a character from Ulysses also. This one is Cyclops, which also, a Cyclops appears in James Joyce's Ulysses as well. But this is a Cyclops from mythology, and he's creeping up on this beautiful maiden who is fetchingly spread out on rock. This one is Cracks in the Wall.
All right.
2023, and
for some reason my camera cannot do orange.
So this is called Laurel Hell, and it's from 2018. This one is called Symphonie Pastorale from 1995, based on a Monet Déjeuner sur l'herbe, a pastiche, meaning I plugged in figures and stuff into the landscape that Monet created.
This is from the Learning Curve series.
Factory Hollow. 2015, it's oil on canvas. So this one is called Sunspots, and it's 2004. Wax, oil, petals on canvas, collage painting. This one is called Green Goddess, and it's from 2014, and it's oil.
Oh yeah. What do you think? What do you think of the wreck of 815 Main Street? Well, don't you think people wonder what was going on in there? Fixing the yellow painting.
The yellow painting being the one with the broken frame.
It sort of reminded me, you know, it's like the house this painting is of it had a tree limb going, I believe it had a tree limb going through that roof.
But then they don't seem to want to take it to the next step.
Well, they destroyed the addition with the yellow painting has the roof, you know, the metal roof. Yeah. That's gone.